Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the front room and I am desperately trying to get rid of all this Christmas stuff. Today is Tuesday, so welcome to Tuesday. Things have been going okay. It was kind of a rough start again. For some reason I'm just in one of those I don't wanna moods, but today I was able to get out and do my walk again and just really did some things for self-care this morning. Put some aromatherapy on with my orange and frankincense essential oils from Jordan Essentials. I've got those going in the diffuser. I went ahead and did my usual Tuesday morning routine. I've washed and dried the towels and rugs already from our bathroom, and I've even done a good swish and swipe in the bathroom. So now that's all put back together, which feels good. So all these little things are helping. I'm getting some momentum. Now I need to head off to work in just a few minutes, but I really want to just get this Christmas stuff done. I didn't get to it last night like I thought I would. So I have 5 minutes on my timer. I don't know if you can see that there. So let's get started. All I need to do at this point is take apart that tree and take it downstairs. And then I still have my little Christmas tree here, that one that needs to go down as well. I did find a box with a few other Christmas ornaments and decorations for outdoors that it's just going to go in that box, which will be fine. So moving on, and I also found this one last decoration, which I didn't even notice because there was so much stuff on the coffee table there, but it's just a candy dish that is, it could stay up. It's really just a snowman, but I'm going to take it down and put it away as well. All right, so let's see how easy it will be to take this apart, which, there we go. Okay, there's level one. I don't even need the lights plugged in because they don't work. Okay, and I'm going to take the bottom down first so that I have somewhere to put the next two levels. So level two, let's see, where's the connection? Down here, okay. And I don't know whether we are plugged in, we're not plugged in. Okay, so there's the second level. Let me set that aside so I have room to get out. Okay. Third level, I'm going to take this down. I'll be back. I'm just going to leave the timer running and leave you running, and I will catch up with you in a minute. Okay, first level is down. Now I'm going to take down the middle half, or I guess I should say the middle third. Be right back. All right, now what's left is the very tip top of the tree and my extra little tree and the snowman. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, there we go. That feels so good to just have that darn tree down. And I got the old sheet from the dining room. That was the last thing left on the table. I have not even started my timer once again. Oh, I don't even know. I think the timer's not working, but we're at 7 minutes, which is perfect. I need to get packed up and out the door for work now. So hopefully that gave you just a little inspiration to get the last of the Christmas decorations down, or whatever thing you're working on, whatever project you're working on, just to get it wrapped up and done. And of course, if you're not this far, that's okay too. Like I said yesterday, the Fly Lady gives us 15 minutes each day this week to just work on putting Christmas away, and I'm sure I'll find something around the house somewhere that needs to be put away as we go through the next couple of days, and that's okay too. I'll just tuck it down in whatever box it goes in. And of course, my daughter still has her tree up in her room, which is fine. We'll just leave that till she's ready to take it down. Who knows, maybe we'll just put Easter eggs on it and it'll stay up all year. It's possible. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope that gave you just a little bit of encouragement and inspiration to keep going on those last couple of projects. Just looking over my shoulder, I can actually move our game table back out again. It was kind of pushed up against the wall, and I knew it would happen. I just remembered. Look, I still have the garland right there. So I'm going to grab that, take that down with me, and be done and have a wonderful rest of my Tuesday, moving on to other things. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and stay tuned for more. I'll be back soon with another video. I'm still working on the New Year, New You videos. They'll be up soon, so bear with me, but we've had some dentist appointments and stuff that have kind of cut into my time that I normally would be filming. So it'll get done. It's not the end of the world. I'll see you soon. Have a great day and a good week, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.